So, good morning, everybody. Back to the channel, and yeah, the 220 inverter. Oh, we're gonna show you guys how to make a proper good camping coffee. So I just boiled some water. Still have some really good Spanish coffee. Had some really good Spanish coffee with me. And there you go, Spanish coffee. Very, very, very tasty stuff. I forgot the name of it. I'd like to go there and get some more because it beats all the other coffees you can get at stores and stuff like that. So this is the old-fashioned way how to make coffee. Yeah, this is a 90s van. This was the epitome of van building back then, and it's 15 degrees outside. And I just have the diesel heat is going. It's nice and warm, and it's a bit designed like back in the days, like the Airstream. If you want to look at that, you got like panorama views all around. But at this moment, I don't want to see some daylight yet. I gotta wake up first. So, and we got everything in here. It's like a true cocoon. This is all our cooking utensils, drawers. This is the fridge. It's a very good fridge, by the way. It's a compressor fridge, and it's built to survive. And it uses only minimal from the battery. This toilet. There's the view outside. It's not Sweden, it's Holland. That's all our shaving stuff and all you need over there. There's a sink. So we got a full toilet here, and you have to imagine that this is not a big camper van. Quite a big closet to put stuff in, your clothes, and I used to put my helmet and silver gear in here. So yeah, the van actually has a bunch of rooms. It's not, if you look at it from the outside, you'd never imagine what's all built in here. It's just amazing. And yeah, in Holland there's nothing allowed. You're not allowed to sleep anywhere anymore. It doesn't matter what vehicle. But in countries like Germany, France, you can dine here with 5 people. I've done it in Spain. But in Germany, you can park everywhere. I just spoke a very nice German couple. They talked about it. They said that was the advantage of Germany. There you go. Hooken Iggy's freshly brewed camperman coffee. Yep, and at the moment I'm here in Europe, just doing my thing, visiting my mom. She's 85. I haven't seen her a very long time. I'm never here. I'm always somewhere doing something else. So I reckon that's kind of important too. But yeah, this is like just a little van life tour, and it's yeah, it's for the mosquitoes. It's blinding. You can blind it if there's too much light coming in at night. Let me let some fresh air in because we're cooking. And yeah, this is like yeah, it's kind of a iconic vehicle from back in the 90s. It was an expensive RV back then. Well, if you, so that's, I like the coffee strong. If you they just spilled the last one in over in Westfalia in Germany, but look at that. If you order one nowadays, they're about 120 grand, something like that. But you cannot, because they just finished building the last ones. There's a few for sale in Germany, but not too many, 2 or 3. So thank you for watching me. I'm gonna have my coffee. Enjoy my coffee and wake up. Thank you.